To find the best non-stick fry pan to buy in 2024, we put a dozen to the test. Misen Excellent Pan topped the field, but other non-stick skillets caught my eye. There are many products available to choose of frying pans, each with different characteristics, benefits. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and made a list of the best frying pans from renowned brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for folks like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my video description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan. In the event that you need a little arrangement of non-stick fry container, I suggest All-Clad's fantastic hard anodized non-stick skillet, which arrive in a bunch of 2 for around $70. All-Clad is a top-of-the-line cookware brand number 1 of expert culinary specialists. However, the brand's non-stick skillets are valued for everybody. Rather than a completely aluminum base, these non-stick skillet are made with an aluminum center encased in reinforced treated steel, so they'll work when utilized with enlistment cooktops. Be cautioned. The steel likewise makes them heavier than conventional non-stick skillet. I've utilized an All-Clad's hard anodized non-stick skillet consistently for around 5 years. The non-stick covering is great, however it will chip decently effectively in the event that you slip and utilize a metal or hard plastic utensil on it. Number 2. HexClad Hybrid Non-Stick Frying Pan. HexClad is an interesting expansion to the non-stick discussion. While I'd never suggest spending more than $100 or really near that on a solitary non-stick dish given the inescapable surface disintegration, HexClad might be the special case. This interesting skillet has a surface that consolidates customary non-stick with a honeycomb example of raised hardened steel to safeguard it. The HexClad guarantee is that you'll get the advantages of non-stick yet with the burning skills of hardened steel and a container that should endure longer than the normal non-stick. I found the half and half surface truly does for sure delivery food, much in the manner most other non-stick dish do. And keeping in mind that it doesn't singe very like treated steel, as the promoting dialect would have you accept, it improves than most other Teflon or non-stick skillets. Number 3. Misen Non-Stick Frying Pan. For a non-stick skillet, the Misen 10-inch griddle checked a larger number of boxes than any others I tried. It's strong, however not weighty, and has an astounding non-stick surface that delivers eggs and flapjack hitter easily. Misen's non-stick skillet utilizes sans faux a 3-layer platinum covering that I saw as somewhat more non-stick than others. The tenderly erupted sides considered hotcakes and eggs to slide out without the utilization of a spatula, yet at the same time held contents back from pouring out over during cooking, in any event, when given a couple of shakes. What drove the Misen container off the top for me was the handle. It's encased in a defensive and removable elastic sheath, and makes for a truly agreeable gripper. The handle additionally has practically no inclination, something I find makes arranging things like eggs and hotcakes more straightforward, since they frequently require a decent piece of moving and flipping. It's likewise an incredible looking skillet. Non-stick skillets don't for the most part have a lot strut, however this one seems to be something you track down in an expert kitchen. Misen's superb non-stick dish is accessible in 3 sizes: 8, 10 and 12 inches. Number 4. Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan. The Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan, with its 2.7 core capacity and 10.5-inch diameter, is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Crafted with a commitment to health-conscious cooking, this pan is entirely non-toxic and free from both PTFE and PFOA. The sleek gray design not only enhances your kitchen aesthetic, but also signifies a focus on modern functionality. One standout feature is its oven-safe construction, allowing for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or finishing a dish in the oven, this pan delivers consistent and reliable performance. Its compatibility with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction, makes it a kitchen essential for diverse cooking needs. The Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan prioritizes convenience with its easy-to-clean design, saving you time and effort. The non-stick surface ensures that food releases effortlessly, and the durable ceramic coating promotes longevity. The Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan is a must-have for culinary enthusiasts seeking a reliable and health-conscious cookware solution. Number 5. Imarco Non-Stick Frying Pan. Imarco presents a stellar trio of non-stick frying pans in 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes, designed to revolutionize your culinary experience. Crafted with precision and excellence, these cast-iron skillets redefine professional cooking at home. The innovative non-stick coating ensures a seamless release of food, making cooking and cleaning a breeze. The pans are dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your kitchen routine. What sets these pans apart is their detachable handle, providing flexibility and ease in handling and storage. The robust cast iron construction guarantees durability and even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. From sautéing to frying, these pans excel in versatility. The 8, 10, and 12-inch sizes cater to various culinary needs, making them an essential addition to any kitchen. Imarco's commitment to quality shines through in every aspect of these frying pans. Elevate your cooking game with this professional set that combines functionality, durability, and style. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.